Hey, it's Hazal. Welcome back to the channel where you learn English through real life, real conversations, and real practice. Today's episode is a little different. Slow down, relax, and just listen. This is an easy English podcast for beginners, and today we're talking about something powerful, self-control. Now don't worry, we're not just learning vocabulary. We're going to feel the language, understand it, and use it in real life. So take a deep breath and let's begin. What is self-control? Self-control means the ability to control your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Say it with me. I have self-control. Again, I have self-control. Good. Now let's make it simple. Self-control is when you want to do something, but you stop yourself. For example, you want to eat junk food, but you don't. You want to scroll your phone, but you stop. You want to get angry, but you stay calm. That is self-control. Now repeat this sentence. I control my actions. Again, I control my actions. Nice. Let's talk about daily situations. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, your alarm rings, you feel tired, you want to sleep more, but you wake up anyway. That is self-control. Say it. I feel tired, but I wake up. Again, I feel tired, but I wake up. Now another situation, you are studying. Your phone is next to you. You want to check it, but you don't. Say it. I want to check my phone, but I don't. Good. Now let's talk about food. You see something delicious, maybe chocolate or fast food. You want it, but you stop. Say, I want to eat it, but I stop myself. Again, I stop myself. Perfect. Now let's talk about emotions. Sometimes we feel angry. Someone says something bad. You feel it inside, but you don't react. You stay calm. Say, I feel angry, but I stay calm. Again, I stay calm. Very good. Self-control is not easy. Say it. Self-control is not easy, but it is important. Repeat, it is important. Now let's build longer sentences. I want to sleep, but I wake up early. I feel angry, but I stay calm. I want to eat junk food, but I choose healthy food. Repeat them slowly, one by one. Now let's make it more personal. Answer these questions out loud. Do you have good self-control? Say, yes, I have good self-control, or no, I need to improve my self-control. Next question. When do you lose control? Maybe when I'm tired, when I'm angry, when I am bored. Say one sentence. I lose control when I am blank. Fill the blank. Good. Now let's learn a new phrase. Control yourself. Repeat, control yourself. This is something you say when emotions are strong. Example, I am very angry. I need to control myself. Say it. Another useful phrase. Take a deep breath. Repeat, take a deep breath. This helps you calm down. Say, I take a deep breath and relax. Now let's connect these ideas. Listen, then repeat, I feel angry. So I take a deep breath and control myself. Again. Now imagine a real situation. You are in a conversation. Someone disagrees with you. You feel frustrated. But instead of shouting, you speak calmly. Say, I speak calmly. Again, I speak calmly. Now let's build a short story. Listen carefully. Yesterday, I felt very tired. I didn't want to work. I wanted to stay in bed. But I got up. I made coffee. I started my day. That is self-control. Now you try. Create your own story. Start like this. Today, speak slowly. Now let's practice thinking in English. I will say a situation. You say a sentence. Ready? You are tired in the morning. Say, I feel tired, but I wake up. You want to eat sweets. Say, I want to eat sweets, but I stop myself. You feel angry. Say, I feel angry, but I stay calm. Perfect. Now let's go deeper. Self-control is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Say, my self-control is getting stronger. Again, I am getting better every day. Now combine everything. I am learning English and I am improving my self-control. Say it again. Good. Now relax and just listen. You don't need to repeat, just understand. Self-control helps you in many areas of life. It helps you wake up early. It helps you stay focused. It helps you speak calmly. It helps you make better decisions. And today, it helps you practice English. Now slowly come back to speaking. Say, I practice every day. Again, I don't give up. That's the mindset. Now before we finish, I want you to do one thing. Say one honest sentence. Today, I will practice self-control. Say it again, slowly, with meaning. Good. Now let's end with a simple conversation with yourself. Ask, do I have self-control? Answer, yes, I am improving. Ask, can I control my actions? Answer, yes, I can. That's it. Simple, real, powerful English. If you stayed with me until here, that means you are serious. So here's your small challenge. Today, in one moment, use self-control and say it in English. And in the comments, write, I control myself. Subscribe if you want more easy English podcasts like this, where you don't just learn, you actually use English. This is Haziel. Take care, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.